What's up guys, Mike here. In my last videos, I've been talking a ton about buying individual stocks, holding them for long term, averaging down and buying more and collecting dividends. But in this video, we are going to talk about the 3-fund portfolio. These are the 3-fund stocks that billionaires such as Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham recommend buying and holding for long term in order to have the best returns from the market and to always become a winner. These portfolios are actually some that I use and hold in my retirement accounts, and I highly suggest that you all start buying and adding it and building it into your portfolio as well. So with that said, let's wait no further and begin. So make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for future videos coming up. So let's begin. All right, so at number one, we have my all-time favorite, and that is none other than ticker symbol BOO, which is none other than the S&P 500. And I usually recommend everyone to at least to have a 70% of VOO in their portfolio, because if you have bought at the bottom of March right now, you would be up over 30%. So that is how crucial it is to own the S&P 500, because if you would have bought any of the individual stocks, you wouldn't even have a 10% return right now. So buying the S&P 500 has become the most glorious return of the 2020, because if you would have bought at March bottom, you would be up over 30% in your portfolio just from ticker symbol VOO, the S&P 500. All right, at number two, we have none other than VTI, which is Vanguard's Total Index Fund, and all in an ETF version, which is pretty much all of the top corporate stocks, whether it's US, China, the whole world, into one ETF fund. And if you would have bought that at the March bottom, you also would have been up over 30% right now because of this whole market crash. So when I tell you guys these 3-fund portfolios would give you the best returns, I mean it. I add these every single year to my portfolio, my retirement account, and I keep buying. Whether it's up or down, I keep adding, and I especially love it when it's down because I could average down my top buys and make it even cheaper, and I get a huge return by the time I retire because it is going to be drastically bigger than it is now. So when I tell you to buy these 3-fund portfolios, I mean you will buy and you will become a millionaire, because a lot of billionaires own the 3-fund portfolio, and that is how they stay rich, because they constantly contribute to this portfolio, whether the market is down or up. They constantly contribute to it and build their wealth, and they just sit back, relax, collect dividends, reinvest their dividends, also continuously buy more, because they know in the future the market only moves up. Why? Because stonks only move up, right? Yeah. All right, let's wrap it up. And this is at number 3, which is none other than BND ticker symbol, which pretty much represents the Vanguard Total Bond Market. And that is one of the best returns right now. It has barely even dipped the whole time this whole market crash. And in fact, right now, if you guys are bleeding badly in the market, that is because everyone is selling all their stocks, all the retirees, and they're moving everything to bonds. They are doing bond portfolio remanagement, and they are just moving all their stocks and buying bonds instead. So if you wonder why the market is bleeding so hard and you're losing so much money, it's because a lot of these retirees are moving all their money from their stocks to their bond portfolio. And if you want to be up right now, the safest bet right now is BND, bonds. Buy bonds, because right now that is going to be the safest returns you can get. Buy stock bonds, buy ticker symbol BND, because I got that. I recommend you always having 10% at least, no more than 15 to 20, whether you're as long as you're young. But if you're in your let's say 50s or 60s, that should be your highest portfolio. I would recommend you go into 60 to 70% in bonds. So with that said, let's break it down. BOO, I highly recommend if you are under the age of 50 to have a 70% in that. And then we have VTI, that's about 20% portfolio you should have. And BND, that's 10%. All in all, that's a 100% three-fund portfolio. Billionaires use this three-fund portfolio. That's how they stay rich. That's how they continue to become rich. And that's how you are going to be rich. So make sure to add the three-fund portfolio to your retirement account, to your cash management account, or to your speculation account, because I can guarantee you that's going to give you the best returns whether you choose individual stocks, because that usually does not work out so well. Because as you can see, China started closing up again. The market started dipping right back down. And I highly doubt we're going to visit March lows, but we are going to go pretty low over the next few weeks until some good news comes up, whether a new vaccine comes out, whether something new comes up to hype the market right back up. And this time we ain't going to have no V recovery. We're going to have a W recovery. So we're going to be going down like the March. We went up right back into May, June, and guess what? We're going right back down. And of course, we will eventually go back up. That's a full W for you. So with that said, thanks for watching my videos. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube can alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post individual stocks that I'm buying, and I recommend you guys buy for long term or for speculation plays that you could come back and make a quick profit on that. Also, WeBull gives 2 free stocks. So if you want 2 free stocks on the market, WeBull gives out 2 free stocks. One for just signing up to use their platform, and a second stock when you deposit $100 or more. You don't have to buy anything. You just have to make a deposit, get that $1,400 second stock, and then withdraw that $100. That's all up to you whether you want to invest with WeBull or not. But WeBull is a lot better than Robinhood right now because Robinhood is having a lot of issues. Also, WeBull has a promotion going on where you could win a free Google stock. All you have to do is follow 4 simple steps and you can get a chance of winning a Google stock. Just make sure to use my link in description below. Also, if you want a free stock from Robinhood, link in description below. I always recommend people who don't know how to trade to start off with Robinhood, even though right now they're having problems. It is a very easy app to use. I highly recommend it for new beginners, but I want you to advance over a month to WeBull because WeBull is a lot better. They have better articles, faster execution on your trades, and they give you overnight plays. So pretty much there's a lot of things that WeBull offer that Robinhood does not even come close to, and you don't slow down, and you can trade at any time. Like unlike Robinhood, sometimes you have a slowdown going on. So I highly recommend you guys switching to WeBull if you're using Robinhood for a while, because it is going to be the best decision you can make. Make sure to use my link in below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.